Hello everyone, welcome to Shriram Academy. This is Kritika. This is level 2 session 2. In the previous session, we have learnt the concept of big friends. Using big friends, we learnt how to do the addition. In this session, we are going to learn the subtraction using big friends. We will go to the class. Big friends are the numbers to be added to get 10. Since we learnt already this one, we are going to have a small recall. Big friend of 9 is 1, big friend of 8 is 2, big friend of 7 is 3, big friend of 6 is 4, big friend of 5 is 5, big friend of 4 is 6, big friend of 3 is 7, big friend of 2 is 8, big friend of 1 is 9. I am going to explain the formulas for subtraction using big friends. To subtract 9, we have to do minus 10 plus 1. To subtract 8, minus 10 plus 2. To subtract 7, minus 10 plus 3. To subtract 6, minus 10 plus 4. To subtract 5, minus 10 plus 5. To subtract 4, minus 10 plus 6. To subtract 3, minus 10 plus 7. To subtract 2, minus 10 plus 8. And to subtract 1, minus 10 plus 9. Now I am going to explain how to apply the big friends formula. To do minus 9, minus 10 add the friend of 9, that is 1. So minus 9 plus 1. So the value is 1. Next 12. To do minus 9 is minus 10 plus 1. 3. Now we are going to see the formula of minus 8. 10 minus 8. 10. To do minus 8, we should add the friend of 8. So, do minus 10 with left hand index finger and then add 2 with right hand thumb. Minus 10 plus 2. Answer is 2. Next, 12 minus 8. 12. How to do minus 8? Minus 10 plus 2. Answer is 4. Now, we will see the formula to do minus 7. 10 minus 7. 10. To do minus 7, friend of 7 is 3. So minus 10 plus 3. So the value is 3. Now 11 minus 7. 11. To do minus 7, minus 10 plus 3. So the answer is 4. Next, 10 minus 6. 10. How to do minus 6? Friend of 6 is 4. To do minus 6, we should add the friend of 6. So minus 10 plus 4. So the answer is 4. Next, 15 minus 6. 15. To do minus 6, we can't do directly. So think of the big friend of 6. Big friend of 6 is 4. So how to do minus 6? Minus 10 plus 4. The answer is 9. Now we are going to see the big friend of 5. 10 minus 5. 10. How to do minus 5? Friend of 5 is 5. So minus 5 is minus 10 plus 5. The answer is 5. Now 14 minus 5. 14. How to do minus 5? Use both your index finger to do minus 10, then add 5. So the value is 9. Next, we are going to do minus 4 now. 10 minus 4. 10. How to do minus 4? So big friend of 4 is 6. So to do minus, we should add the friend. Minus 10 plus 6. So the answer is 6. Next, 13 minus 4. 13. To do minus 4, we can't do directly, and also plus 1 minus 5 is not possible. So think of the big friend. Big friend of 4 is 6. Minus 10 plus 6. So the answer is 9. Now we are going to do the minus 3. 10 minus 3. Friend of 3 is 7. So minus 10 plus 7. So the answer is 7. 12 minus 3. 12. How to do minus 3? Minus 10 plus 7. Answer is 9. Next, minus 2. Now we are going to do minus 2. 10 minus 2. How to do? Friend of 2 is 8. So to do minus 2, minus 10 plus 8. So the answer is 8. Next, 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. So the answer is 9. Now we have come to the last formula, that is minus 1. Set 10. How to do minus 1? Directly we can't do, and also we can't apply the small friend concept of plus 4 minus 5. So to do minus 1, apply the big friend formula. Big friend formula is minus 10 plus 9. So the answer is 9. Now we are going to do some sums using big friends. First sum, 12 minus 2 directly, minus 2. To do minus 2, minus 10, add the friend of 2. So what we did, minus 10 plus 8. Next, add 1 directly. So the answer is 9. Next sum, 19. This is 19 minus 9. We can do minus 9 directly. Next, minus 9. Minus 9. To do minus 9, minus 10 plus 1. Next, 3. We can add 3 directly. Answer is 4. Next sum, 11 minus 8. Minus 8. Friend of 8 is 2. We should add the friend. To do minus, we should add the friend. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. Next, 5. Directly we can add 5. 1. We can add 1 directly. Answer is 9. Next, 20. This is 20. Minus 1. To do minus 1, minus 10 plus 9. Minus 5. Directly we can do minus 5. Next is also minus 5. Since we can't do minus 5 directly, we should use the big friend formula of minus 10 plus 5. Answer is 9. Next sum, 21. This is 21 minus 7. Minus 7 is minus 10 plus 3. Minus 3. We can do minus 3 directly. Minus 9. Minus 9 is minus 10 plus 1. So the answer is 2. Next sum, 22 minus 4. To do minus 4, directly we can't do minus 4, and also we can't use the small friend as plus 1 minus 5 we can't do. So to do minus 4, minus 10 plus 6. Next, minus 3, directly we can do minus 3, minus 6. How to do minus 6? Minus 10, we should add the friend. Answer is 9. Next, 21 minus 9. Minus 9 is minus 10 plus 1. Minus 3. We can't do minus 3 directly, and also we can't apply the formula of small friend. So we should apply the big friend formula of minus 10 plus 7. Next, minus 5. So the answer is 4. Next, 21 minus 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. Minus 3, directly we can do minus 3. Minus 7. How to do minus 7 here? Minus 10, add the friend of 7, that is 3. So the answer is 3. Next sum, 20 minus 8. Minus 8 is minus 10 plus 2. Next, minus 9. Minus 9 is minus 10, add the big friend, that is 1. Minus 2. Directly we can do minus 2. So the answer is 1. Last sum, 21 minus 2. Minus 2 is minus 10 plus 8. Minus 3 directly. Minus 6 directly. So the answer is 10. Now we have learnt the subtraction using big friends. Hope you have understood well. In next session, we will be covering the combination formula using big friends and small friends. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next session.